Hello, myself Deepak Shirbate. I am working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic, Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I am going to show you creation of swept surface for the use of hour hand, minute hand, and second hand for the wall clock. So in this tutor, we will see the swept tool of Vivat Studio. Now, in this particular tutorial, we will see how swept tool can be used to create these three hands, triangular hands, and we will be using the swept tool, second option of the swept tool. So let us start. First of all, start the blank file, then go to the swept, select swept surface. Now here you have to define the cross section. The cross section will be triangular, of course, in shape, just like our hand, hand in the wall clock, pointed triangular shape. Once your cross section definition is complete, you just click OK. So the swept surface tool will extrude the surface by the height of I think one unit. Generally here the unit is in meter, but it doesn't make any difference because relatively we can scale up or scale down the objects, so it is not going to make any difference. Now here I'm actually going to reduce the height of extrusion, so I'm going to reduce it by almost 90% or 95%. So on the y-axis I have reduced the height or extrusion depth by 95%. Now I will try to bring this to again 0, 0, 0 coordinates. We will bring it down by 0.9, minus 0.9, or you can bring it by minus 1 also to the original position. So this is our say 0 position. Now the next attempt will be to make it vertical, standing on the base. So for that I will try to rotate it about various axes. I think rotating by 90 degree along the x-axis will serve my purpose and make it to vertical, standing on the base. So 90 degree on x-axis rotation can make it vertical, exactly like this. Now the next thing will be to again bring it to back to the original position. So you drag it back to the original position, just like this. Okay, this is very important because whenever we are going to use this, we are generally placing the object at the reference position. Now you zoom the object in all the 4 views. Appropriate zooming is required. This is the swept surface. This will be our minute hand, because it is of medium size, so call it as a minute hand. Now we will make a copy of this, duplicate. Okay, Then we will give color yellow, and we will just pull it out so that both the hands, minute hand and the second hand, will be visible. Okay, now both the hands are visible. Now they are of exactly same width and same height. Now if I want to use it as a second hand, then I have to increase the height and reduce the width. So for increasing the height, you just uncheck the uniform option so that uneven manner I can increase the height and reduce the width. So I want to increase the height and reduce the width. So for increasing the height, so the width has been reduced along the x-axis by 0.5, and height will be increased by 1.5, will be more, 1.3 is appropriate. It should be slightly taller than the, yeah, it is appropriate. So this will be my second hand, and now again I am making a duplicate of this to create the other hand. I will use white color for the other hand. Use white color for the other hand. So we will duplicate it and we will create the our hand. Our hand will be slightly shorter in length and wider. So I have duplicated the minute hand, which was red in color. I've given the white color so as to identify it. So our yellow color is the second hand, and white color will be off, will act as a overhand. Now again I want to make it smaller than the minute hand. So uncheck the uniform scaling. Uncheck the uniform scaling and in x direction we want to make it somewhat should be wider, so it should be more than, let us make it 1.2 or 5. And in height I want to reduce it, so make it say 0.7. Point 0.9 will be quite good. Now we will save this particular file with uh, name SSMMHH hand for clock. Basically, these Swift surfaces were created for a clock, so they are going to be used as a hour, minute, and second hand for the clock. And you can directly export the file into VRML. That's it. Now parameters of transformation, rotation, and scale for second, minute, and hour hand will be like this. The second hand will be short in width, shortest in the width, and tallest in the height. The minute hand will be of medium width and medium height, and hour hand will be of more height and smallest in the height, or shortest in the height. That is what we are expecting. Now we'll just see. So this is the required output. And I have placed all the three hands side by side, so that you can, and in the width, in this particular view you can see the width. The width is gradually decreasing or gradually increasing. Here you can check the height. So they are placed side by side. You can easily compare all the three objects, all the three swept surfaces. And in the wireframe also you can compare them. So thanks for watching my video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my contact details. Thank you.